Alright guys, so today I'm doing a review on this Little Farmers Crunchy Little Lentils. This is their lightly salted version, and it's, if you can see, it's gluten free. It is 7 grams protein, and it is vegan. As you see there, it's the ingredients. If you want to read the nutrient panel, pause the video. Let's do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what it looks like there. Now, I've tried their barbecue and I've tried their salt and vinegar. Okay. And my favorite so far is still the salt and vinegar. It just has a certain taste to it that the aroma and everything. The salt and vinegar is my favorite still, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. If you guys are wondering what this tastes like, it's like one of those wasabi peas. Similar to that texture, so it's crunchy, and yeah, it's got a nice crunch to it. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.